Hey guys, Josh Zamora here with a quick video to go ahead and show you exactly how you can come in here and start having Create write your content for you. This is going to be a quick and short video for those of you that prefer to just jump in here and start using the tool right away. So the first thing you're going to do is come over here to the Articles tab. You're going to come up here to the plus sign. And pretty much this is where the magic happens. Okay, you're going to fill out all of these options and then go ahead and hit start, and Create will get to work for you. So depending on which package you purchased, you're going to have access to all or one or two of these, depending again on which upgrade offer you purchased. I'm going to go ahead and leave it at standard because everyone got access to standard at the very least. Then here, you're going to go ahead and select your main niche that you want content in. I'm going to go ahead and select health, and then I'm going to go ahead and select arthritis. Now you do want to make sure that you do select the correct niches here so that you can get the best possible outcome for your content. Okay. Down here, if you purchased this upgrade which unlocks these two features, then you'll be able to select these options. The first one is obviously to have content written in other languages, and there's 12 languages built into here in total. Okay, the one thing you do have to keep in mind is that if you do select a different language, the starting prompt still has to be in English. Okay, so just make sure that this starting sentence is in English, but the content will be generated in whichever language you select here. I'm going to go ahead and leave that as English. And this here, obviously, you can have more than one article created for you at one time. Okay, and they will all be unique. So I'm going to go ahead and just set that to 3. And then the folders feature, depending if you purchased during our launch special week, then you did get access to our folders, and not only that, but you got access to being able to share the folders as well. So if you have an accounting client, for example, you can put this content in there and then give them access to that specific folder. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and leave that blank for now. This starting prompt, I went ahead and copied a sentence from this option here. I googled arthritis, and then I copied this sentence here. So I'm going to copy it again just in case. I'm going to come back in here. I'm going to paste it there, and I'm going to go ahead and hit start. And that's it. You can see article generation process has started. This is going to take about 60 to 90 seconds to complete. So I'll go ahead and pause this video for now and come back to it once these 3 articles have completed. All right, so this one here has already completed. So I'm going to go ahead and just open that and show you what this looks like. You can see here, really good length article here. And here is the sentence that we provided. And obviously it generated a title for us as well. How do you recognize arthritis? And it says, different types of arthritis exist, each with different causes, including wear and tear, infections, and underlying diseases. However, they all involve inflammation in one way or another. So as from here, this is where the Create article starts. And if you're going to use this as is, make sure that you do rewrite this first sentence. We do recommend doing that because, again, I did take this from a third-party site. But you can see here it continues perfectly as if this was already part of the article as well. And you can see here inflammation means that there is an increase in the surface of the cells called inflammation. This can occur naturally or be brought on by factors outside of the body. For example, infections or illness. The result of this is that the joints in people affected by arthritis become inflamed. So really good article here. And that's it. From this point, I can either share this with my client by our sharing feature where you can share the URL. You can edit it. Okay, so you can edit it right from inside of here. Okay, which will allow you to, if you do need to make some changes, to edit it before sending it to your client. Or you can go ahead and post it to WordPress immediately from inside of Create if you did purchase that upgrade. So that's how easy it is to come in here and start having Create write your articles. And that's it. I'm going to go ahead and cover other features that we have in the videos below this one.